Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 21, 2022. One star Sudoku. Column C, we have 709. So 709 can't come this cell. It will come in on the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 5, 6. It will come in one of the three cells. 6th row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Column D, third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1. Second row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Third row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 9. Second grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 7. 4, 7, 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8. Ninth grade and fifth row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, 7th row, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column E, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, column F, 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, 10th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will remain another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 9. Column E, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 5. Column F, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column E, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 7th row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 5th row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column G, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 6th row, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 7th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 7th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.